Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to another video on technology support, and you're with me, Pasha, again. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can record your Mac screen, how you can record each and every activity that you're doing on your MacBook or your iMac. Alright, so the first thing you need to download this app called Screenflow. Screenflow is a very good app that allows you to record. So as I am doing it right now, it can't open until I come to this button here, and then I stop recording and do other things. You can get this app on the link below in the description, but so far that's the app that is very good to record your MacBook, your iMac or your MacBook screen. So if you're planning to start creating video tutorials and teaching people how to do certain things just like I'm doing, this is the best app that you can use. Alright, so there are a lot of apps out there that are doing the same thing, but I prefer this one because this one is free and you can get it for free if you can just search for Screenflow on Google and follow the link that I have provided in the link description. Okay, so this was today's video here at Pasha Media Technology Support. Thank you guys for watching, and if this video has helped you or it has opened up some certain views in your life, subscribe to the channel so that we can keep on making more videos. Pasha Media Technology Support. You're all welcome.